2020 has been a record year for firearm sales, and it's really exciting to see new people coming on board as responsible firearm owners. But with all those sales, what specific firearms are people choosing to purchase? Today, we've got the top 5 selling revolvers of 2020. Hey crew, it's Chris with CloverTac and welcome back to the channel. Now, it's really hard to track firearm sales, and it's even harder to track specific firearm sales. However, I did run across a report from the National Shooting Sports Foundation. Now, the NSSF is very connected as an organization to the firearm industry, and even though they are connected to the firearm industry, I just want to say this list is in no way definitive, and mostly, we're just here to have a little fun. In at number 5 is a revolver from Ruger that's available in a wide variety of calibers and configurations, and this might just be why it's so popular. The Ruger GP100 is a single-action, double-action revolver available in 22 long rifle, 327 Federal, 357 Magnum, 10mm, and 44 special. Capacity is going to range from 5 rounds to 10 rounds, depending on the caliber. Barrel lengths from 2.5 to 6 inches, and weights anywhere from 36 ounces to 45 ounces, depending on the model. Number 4 on this list is the Heritage Rough Rider revolver, and side note, this is the only revolver on this list that I actually own, at least at the time of this video. So feel free to give me all the grief you want down in the comments below. The Heritage Rough Rider is a single action 6-shot revolver chambered in 22 long rifle. It comes in barrel lengths of anywhere from 4 3/4 inches all the way up to a whopping 16 inches, with weights in between 30 and 48 ounces, again, depending on the model. Quick question of the day, so jump down into those comments below and let me know, did you purchase a revolver in 2020? If so, was it one of the ones on this list? Either way, I would love to know, so let's have a conversation about it. No revolver list would ever be complete without a Smith & Wesson, and coming in at number 3 is a great concealed carry option in the S&W model 642. The 642 is a double action only revolver chambered in 38 special with a 5-round capacity. The barrel length comes in at 1 inch and 7/8, and this little thing only weighs about 14 ounces. Number 2 on this list is a Colt, and again, not many revolver lists are going to be complete without the addition of a Colt. The new Python series of revolvers from Colt are a single-action, double-action revolver chambered in 357 Magnum with a capacity of 6 rounds. And the new Pythons are going to come in either the 4 1/4 or 6-inch barreled version, with weights coming in at 42 and 46 ounces respectively. Before we get to the number 1 selling revolver of 2020, I want to welcome those that might be new to the channel. Here on CloverTac, we talk about all things firearms, so if you're into that sort of thing, jump down and smash that subscribe button, and to keep up to date on new content, you can go ahead and click that notification bell as well. Taking the number 1 spot on this list is another revolver from Ruger, and somewhat of a competitor to the aforementioned Heritage Rough Rider. The Ruger Wrangler is a single action only 6-shot 22 long rifle revolver. It's going to come with a standard barrel length of about 4 5/8 inches, and the weight's going to come in pretty close to 30 ounces. Well, there you go, crew. The top 5 selling revolvers of 2020, as reported by the National Shooting Sports Foundation. As always, if you want to agree, disagree, or just continue the conversation, I welcome that down in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.